That was a big ass waste of time. I just spent the last 10 minutes talking about this. I never hit record. I just had it on photo. So we get to start all over again. From the beginning. Where was I at? So, back in March, or maybe it was May, I don't remember now. If we go back and watch the video where I installed headlights on Nacho, my 2015 Sierra, I mentioned that I bought a set of taillights to go with it. Why am I getting a text? Anywho's. Yeah, I bought a set of taillights. And I didn't think they're gonna take this long to get in. This is now August, and I bought these in March or May. I don't remember. To go back and watch it, or I'll go back and check. But I'll guess I edited that in, so. Hey, I bought these in May, I don't know. It'll be edited. Yeah, LED headlights. Boy, it's hot in here. I just got off work, I gotta get this done. I gotta go pick up the kid from football practice. So, without further ado's, back up, Terry. These are the Alpharex full LED. Well, I guess not full LEDs because not all the bulbs are LED. I guess these are called the Pro Series. I think it's the Pro Series. Does it say on here? That's part number, if you can read that. Made in Taiwan. No coronavirus on this. Yeah, it doesn't say. But I think it is the Pro. I don't know what the difference is. This sounds cooler. And I got the black with spoke lenses. There they are. As you can see, the housing inside is black. That's black. Or you can get chrome. I didn't want chrome, I wanted black. And the smoke lens. They come in different flavors. Now this is for non-LED taillights. Mine are all halogen bulbs. Woo! And then you just take your bulbs out and you plug these in. The only one you keep goes down here, and that's your backup light. So it should be pretty quick and easy. Just should be plug and play. But let's do this. There ain't nothing wrong with these. They're not LED, and I'm bougie like that, I suppose. But these are perfectly fine. There's nothing. Maybe a little, looks like somebody rubbed that right there, but that'll buff out no problem. But it should be pretty easy. So I'm just gonna get this one off, swap it over, and show you the difference in the two. And I already had one. I took this one off and put it on yesterday when these came in just to see, make sure they fit, make sure they work. Still don't know if they work because I couldn't see the brake lights. But let's get this bad boy off. Those come out, pop it off. Bingo, 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 bingo. Oh, and you have to swap these over to the new ones, so looks like it's just looks like it's an Allen head or a Torx head. What you have in here? Yep, that size, whatever that is. That one. Like I said, I gotta get this done. Got a kid waiting on me at football. Aha, that's how that comes off. Okay. It just pops back on that one. And then they just kind of pop back on. And then we screw it down. And then we screw it down. Bingo. Now we hook these up, we gotta make sure we match the colors with the colors on here. Like the blacks, the ground's gotta match up. That's not hot. There. Like I said, you keep your backup light, bucket bulb. You probably ask yourself, what the hell's going on with your beard? I'll tell you what's going on with it. I can't tell you. That's what I'm going to tell you. Well, I could tell you, but I don't want to jinx it. Something big going on. I'm working on. We'll see. We'll know in probably about 3 weeks, but should be pretty big. I'll still be a nobody, but what I'm hoping to participate in will be pretty big. Keep tuned in. So the bottom one is your backup light. One changes with that. This is gonna be fun doing without scratching the piss out, but dropping on the side of the truck here. Because you got to use 2 hands to connect these things. And then you have this one. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's kind of tricky right here. There's a little one, the short one needs to go down on the bottom. Do this. I'm just gonna put this here. Kind of lay it here, and now we got 2 hands used. So I got to make sure the colors are correct. So black on that side. So to plug the black on this one's the outboard, so I want to make sure this black is on the outboard. See if that works. So what it said, I don't know. It didn't come in instructions. So that goes there. And I'm just gonna leave it out for now so I can plug the rest of these in. And then the black one here is outboard. So black there. It fit really nice. It's plugged in, and now this one again. And you can't really see, but looks like the black on this one is that way. So plug it in here. And it goes there. And then now we gotta try to plug this in and fit this all back together without scratching anything. There's not enough slack in this harness. You just gotta push those other ones in there and get it in there. Boom. This one out of the way. That in there. Where this one's in the lock. I'll have to watch that one. And that one locks. I did notice yesterday when I put this on just to test fit it, this box back here, I think this harness you gotta kind of push out of the way. It'll fit just fine. Yep, see the harness flop back over in my way. Reach it there. There we go. And put our factory fasteners back in. Get in there. Dirty. Let's see what it looks like. Can you see there? There it is. All installed. Let's see if she works. Tell me if the brake lights come on. Ow. Are they coming on? I can't see. Did they come on? Let's try these. All right. Flashers. See if the taillights work.
We are the sound of Texas 95.9 The Ranch. That's the Randy Rogers Band. They're iconic tune.
So my taillights ain't working. Let's see. Let's take it back on the seat. Shut the door. I want to hear that trash. Wonderful. Let's see. Maybe I have one of these backwards. These are. Okay, didn't have it plugged in enough. What's going on here? Okay. Well, now it's working. I think it didn't have it plugged in hard enough. She's working now. Oh, that's not plugged in this time. Flash is working. Here we go. Flash is working. Brake light's working. I see something back here. Okay. That's one side. How long has this video been now? 15 minutes? It only took me 2 minutes to do that side. Man, it's working. Look at it. Working just fine. Let me get this off. There she is. Well, my boots squeaking. He's doing stupid insoles. Look at that. I like it. I like it. It took me a while to get some LED tail lights because I didn't really like any of them. These look clean. They're clean. That's what I like. A little different. There. Works for me. Oh, man. Well, now I gotta go pick my kid up from football practice, so make this outro pretty quick. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you ain't seen the video or the headlights on this, go check it out. It's full of tons of knowledge and some dope rhymes, so go check it out. You'll like it. You'll like this one too. I'm pretty sure you'll like this one too. You'll like all of them. Just go check out all my videos. Somebody needs to. My wife didn't even watch them. But that's okay. Ain't for everybody. I'm rambling. Again, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna head out. I appreciate you guys. Check out another video. I know this is a quick one. That's fine. But it's got information. It's really that simple to put those stupid things on there. Just plug them in and make sure the black wire, the ground lines up with the ground wire. So I just made sure the side that had the black wire on it was on the same side as the black wire on the factory side. So that's all you gotta do. Yeah, that one had to jiggle with a little bit, but it's fine now. You can see. There, it's fine now. Working like a champ. But I'm gonna wrap it up. Appreciate you guys checking out another one. I forgot to do an outro. No, I didn't forget to do it. I forgot to do a review of what I thought about these taillights. I drove over and got my son from football practice. And on the way back, I said, you know what? I always forget to tell people what I think about them after I put them on. What do I think about these taillights? I like the way they look. They look really nice. You can see it there. This is not being engaged or in use. I do like the way they look. I'm not so sure about the fit. Because those little connectors, they don't fit in there real tight. I think one of them fit really nice. Driver's side fit okay. There's one that was kind of sketchy. Passenger side, they didn't fit real well. They didn't really lock in all that. They're not that tight. So I don't know how it's going to work for water integrity or water tightness. We'll go with water tightness. I might have to take it back off there and see if I did something wrong. It's kind of hard to mess it up. You just put it in and twist it, just like it come off the other one. But I'll take them off probably tomorrow. I ain't going where today. I'm off work tomorrow, and then I go back to work Saturday. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I'll check it out, and then I'll get back with you. So far, I mean, like I said, I like the way they look. I'm just not so sure about the fit. The fit on the truck, it fits perfect. It's the fit of those connectors, or those Those sockets. The sockets. Not so sure about that. Just because I think they might get water in there. We'll see. Yeah. So I'm just gonna plug this back in like it's normal, like I didn't forget to do this. So now it's coming up the outro. So enjoy that part.